Oh, there we go.
There we go. Look at this.
When I wake up tomorrow morning, what is this? What is this supposed to be? Like I'm in a coffin.
It's overheating.
Sorry about this. Pretty embarrassing, but you caught Lucky Rentals out.
Hey, Pedro's Hustler.
This is chicken, right? Is this Pedro, is it?
Yes, that is correct.
That's it? That's going to be enough for me, eh? You're going to get your own one?
Taking about 5 hours to be ready, but this really depends on the land itself.
It does, yeah.
There's not a better way to wrap up the South Island trip than this.
This is where we go when we talk about the two couples experience. Look at this. Wow. Get a little bit of an au jus in there.
That is just stunning.
Beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. It's probably the fastest we finished shoulder and a shank of lamb. Like this. Bang.
Last day, South Island tour.
I like it. I want more of this. Really, I want more of this. It works.
Take into account that this is inside of a Toyota Hiace.
He is the younger one of the two cowboys.
I am the younger one,
More
but
flexible, agile.
I wouldn't say flexible and agile. Yes!
And he steps on my bed.
You know, I'm stuck. I'm already stuck.
Is that it? You're just stuck?
It's like you're like in a space shuttle.
Ay, ay, ay.
Where's my kissing? I've lost. Oh, here it is. I would open that vent because we've had some gassy food.
Ja, die knoffel in die lamp daar.
That lamb is gonna come back with a vengeance.
There's a reason why the old people called it a knuffel.
5 in the morning to catch a flight back to Auckland. We're picking up another van on our way back up to the north of New Zealand. Companies and airlines have decided that you, as the paying passenger, should do half of the work. That stuff that's happening back there, I don't work for Air New Zealand. I shouldn't be handling my baggage. I shouldn't. I don't work for this place. Or they need to give me a discount on the ticket because I've now done a physical job for them.
They will tell you that's why you get good rates from Air New Zealand.
Bullshit.
Because you do all the work
Bullshit.
yourself.
It's bullshit.
So you're gonna have your turn for breakfast.
I keep on saying to you, behave yourself in camera. This is a bulla bean, it's a cocoa pod. It is very well crafted, handmade, New Zealand chocolate.
Right.
Look here. Ah, look at that. Instead of a
Ganache. What's inside?
ganache, you just said it. Oh, the ganache is good.
Is it good?
Now for the flat white.
Chocolate in the morning, chocolate in the afternoon.
Chocolate, 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 chocolate.
Not even light.
Squeezed in. Not this one.
No, you didn't get that?
No. They took ours. The reason why we're waiting again is they took it just for a quick hose down. Hose out, actually. That's
Hose
what
out, okay.
They hose it out for you, make
Yeah.
sure it's nice and clean. And,
What happened on the inside?
don't know, the tires apparently are no good, so they had to get that sorted out.
Okay.
And you're lucky, man. If you get your camper at Lucky on time, you're lucky.
Is this it? No,
No, that's too fancy.
that's too fancy.
No, it's too fancy. Wait.
You wanna rough it?
Wanna rough it?
You're gonna rough it.
Gonna rough it. Yesterday morning we picked this up from the airport, so our second little van, and we took 2.5 to 3 hours waiting for this to be ready. First it needed tires, then it needed a wash, then it needed this. It's overheating.
Oh,
and we checked the oil, and this almost half the oil is gone, and it's black tar. So we bought some oil, trying to put it in. You can't get the oil cap off. So now we're going to do Lucky Rentals, brilliant customer service. We're going to put that to the test and see if this is actually going to be resolved.
And cheers for calling Lucky Rentals, the home of the lowest rates for car and camper van hire in New Zealand. Sorry about this. Pretty embarrassing, but you've caught Lucky Rentals out.
I would really like somebody to give me a shot back because we are stranded. Your van is overheating. I've done this already.
Yeah, no.
I've called them already before we put it on camera.
No answer.
No answer. Nothing.
This is the fastest road in New Zealand.
This is head office in Auckland, New Zealand.
Yeah. Hey, what's going